Hey everyone, it's Connie from Thoughts to Treasures. Today I'm going to show you this wood kit that we have. It is our welcome to our patch. Great fall decor piece for this coming season. It comes with all of these pieces. This is on a 11 by 11 board. Lots of pieces to paint, so don't be scared about that, but it's a great kit to do. Great sign to make. But I am going to use Fusion Mineral Paint in the color Champlain to do the background. If you guys have never used this paint, it is really awesome paint. It has a top coat, a base coat, top coat, and the actual paint color, obviously. Most times you only have to do one layer or one coating, whatever you want to call it. I did the truck a different way. I actually used it with a baby wipe and the Fern Waverly paint. I think it gave it that nice little rustic-y paint. So we ended up using the antique wax to do the letters. Again with the baby wipe method. And then we did do the pumpkin Waverly and the ink Waverly for the tires and the pumpkins, and a light gray for the hubcap, and then again Fern for the pumpkin stems. So like I said, there's a lot of pieces to it, but overall it's very easy painting. Now we're just going to line it up to where we want it to be, make sure everything fits on the board the correct way, placement. I always like doing that before I even try gluing anything down. Yeah, I like how that looks. I think it looks good. So we're just going to use super glue, wood glue from Dollar Tree. If you guys have not used that, definitely give it a try. I use one of those eyeshadow makeup brushes to apply the glue. That way you're getting a nice smooth coat to it instead of trying to push the glue out of the bottle. And I didn't use any hot glue, and I don't find that you have to use hot glue with this when it's wood on wood. You do have to give it the curing time so that it actually sits up, but you do get that quick hold too when it's not 2 tons of paint, 2 tons of glue on it. I like how that turned out, so we are going to put a beaded hanger on this. I originally started with neutral colored, and then I said, nah, that didn't look too good, so we went with the orange. I thought it would bring out the pumpkins better. Now guys, here you're going to see me using pink felt. There's no rhyme or reason to it. That's what I used to hold and help hold down the twine to give it more security. Like I said, there's no rhyme or reason. This is just what I had on hand. I like to use that thicker felt, and I have it left over. So here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please give my page a follow.